Hi, I'm Danielle Sherry, Senior Editor at Fine Gardening Magazine, and today I'm going to teach you how to plant a viburnum. Viburnums are really popular shrubs because they're so beautiful. They get gorgeous leaves, beautiful flowers, and great berries. Generally, when you go to the nursery, you'll see them in two different forms. They're either growing in containers or they're balled and burlapped shrubs. And today, we have a balled and burlapped Chicago luster viburnum, and I'm going to teach you how to plant it step by step. The first thing you want to do is to dig a hole 2 or 3 times wider than the root ball to provide lots of nice loose soil for the roots to expand into. Since it's a little bit later on in the season and the ground is really hard because we haven't had a lot of rain recently, we're soaking the area with a hose to make the ground easier to dig the hole. It's even easier if you do it the night before, but I forgot. Next, you should cut away any twine or wire that's securing the root ball and the burlap to the bottom of the plant. Then, you should remove all of the burlap because it can wick away water from the roots. Any small amounts of burlap that might remain on the very bottom of the plant are okay and will degrade over time. Now, your plant's ready to go in the hole. The hole should be deep enough so that the top of the root ball sits even with the surrounding grade or just slightly above it. Digging a hole that's too deep will allow the root ball to settle, and when settling occurs, soil can accumulate around the trunk and create the ideal location for disease to enter the plant. Backfill the hole with soil to about the halfway point and then water the shrub in. This will help eliminate any of the larger air pockets in the hole and around the plant, and it helps stabilize the shrub overall. Finish up backfilling and build a small ring of soil around the outside edge of the planting hole. It should be high enough to hold about 3 to 5 gallons of water when you irrigate. Water inside the soil ring and allow the water to sink into the soil surrounding your newly planted shrub. And there you have it, simple and easy, how to plant a viburnum shrub in just a couple of steps. You're going to want to consistently water your shrub, especially if we don't have any significant rainfall, about once a week throughout the rest of the growing season. By next year, your shrub will be big and beautiful and have a bloom set like you've never seen before.